A suspected case of arson was reported at the Northern Frontier Railway Guest House in Laban, Shillong during the early hours of Tuesday. Following the incident, forensic experts from the Meghalaya Police were dispatched to the scene to conduct an investigation. During the preliminary inquiry, investigators discovered bloodstains on the boundary wall of the guest house, suggesting that the perpetrators may have injured themselves while scaling it. Authorities believe the miscreants climbed over the protected wall before hurling a petrol-filled bottle at a vehicle parked on the premises. As of the filing of this report, the investigation is ongoing and officials are working to determine the motive behind the attack.